Okay, people, this is what y'all been waiting for. Let me see. I'm gonna hit it at 65. Hold up. See my coming on the right. Let's lower the speed limit. Hold up. I'll show you right now. Girls in. Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. That's from 60. Watch this. Guys, I could be doing about 90. I don't feel it. Feels like it's 60. I don't know if you guys can see too. Hold on, so let me get the autofocus up. There you go. Hold on. Let's slow down a little bit. So slow down. There we go. Show us. 100, no problem. 100, no problem, people. From 40, guys, when I go uphill and I turn, I have to dim a little bit of gaso. I'm spinning. That's how fast this truck is. 4.8. It's got the 4.8. It's the small V8. But guys, yuck. Look at this about a Red Bull can. V1000, I shouldn't. Oh, Red Bull, Kaku Troco, Haigiri for blast. Check his. You could be doing 100 miles an hour, people. Let's try to hit it one more time. Hold on, let me see. Let me slow down. One last time. This is where them popos at. Nice job, I'm a fuzzbuster. Hold on. Where's that speed? Look at the. Slow down. Slow down. Let's hit it from 60. 3, 2, 1. Boom! The fast I had it was about maybe 101, 102. The governor kicks in. That's it though, people. That's it. That's how we do it. GMC all up in your mouth. Yep. Probably wasted about 2 gallons of the tank. So, that's it. 2007 GMC 2-door. That's how we do it, baby. And I'm on my way going home. Got about an 800-mile trip. Are you down? I just detailed and everything. Check this out. Trans temperature. It says all that. Transmission temperature. Watch this. The monitor. Odometer. We got the 6 coin check. Trip 225. I put on already. Yeah, that's it. And I got OnStar.
Connecting to OnStar.
Watch this.
Thank you for calling OnStar. This is Valerie. How may I assist you?
Yes, dear. I wanted to know, dear, from my current location, the 85 South, does it lead to the 285 West? From the 285 West, does it lead to the 75 North?
Okay. So that's 85 South to 285 West?
To the 285 West. Then does it turn into the 75 North?
I show that you will have access to 75 North off of 285. That is correct.
Beautiful. Thank you, that's all I want to know.
You're welcome, Mr. Frank. If there's nothing further, you have a safe drive, sir. Thanks for using OnStar.
No problem. Oh, yeah.
Your OnStar call has ended.
Goodbye. That's it, people. Wait till now I'm going to do some customization. So that's a new saga. So that was it. Comment, like, subscribe, and spread the word. Because the end is soon, man. That's it, peeps. I'm out. And that's 285. See ya.